I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the livestock market. Today, the cattle was higher. The market started really well. There's been early summer beef demand that really pushed the market higher. Up until at the very end, a lot of profit taking coming and really pushing the market lower. Interestingly enough, there has been a steady climb over the last couple of weeks. The market really looks strong. It was making progress even technically. We've crossed over the 100-day moving average. There's been some follow-through buying, really pushing it up. But I guess we got to a point where there's a few of the traders taking some profits off the table and kind of sending the market a little bit lower. Perhaps the grain report that's coming tomorrow might be a little bit of a tell. Let's not forget that there was some trouble with the G7 over the weekend. That could be playing a role also in all the commodities across the board. Feeders were also on the rise. The feedlot sales were really eating through some of the supplies that we had. It was helping the market, and everything was going very well until about an hour before the close, and then it started to sell off a little bit. If the demand continued, we were hoping that the market was going to continue to move higher. If you take a look at the chart, technically speaking, it was looking very, very good. Now, with the geopolitical talks and the unrest, just has everyone a little bit nervous, and so everyone's playing it really close to their chest and taking anything that they get off the table and moving to the sidelines and waiting to see what happens next. Hogs were mixed. They actually were firm early on, and those politics still playing a role with the production. Now, pork exporters around the world were really watching prices and finding that they can be a little bit more competitive with the U.S. So this is kind of something that we haven't seen so much because of the tariff talks, the problems with NAFTA going ahead. It's really affecting the pork market a lot. In spite of that, the prices are still better for Mexico. So Mexico still seems to be able to buy some of our pork exports, and it's been very helpful in spite of the price where it is. So that helps continue to move some of our product through the pipeline here. But that being said, things keep changing day to day. So there has been a little bit of increase in production. The market really sold off a little towards the end of the day. So we're going to watch each day as it is. We have a big grain report tomorrow. That could definitely have a ripple effect across all of the livestock complex. So we're going to watch that closely. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.